Hey, Hohua. Remember Tipene? Yeah, you know. The one that didn't quite master that lumberjack class. Yeah, you do, mate. Well, you probably need to go see him in hospital. You also have a lot of bad press to deal with. And that isn't helping your enrollments for next semester. Oh yeah, and your manager needs to report about the whole thing. So, how's those stress levels? Slow down, Hohua. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we want to support our kaimahi and help manage work-related stress and fatigue. And you look wrecked, mate. Let your manager, te marupainga or HR know how you are feeling. Hohua, go see the doctor again and get another medical certificate to help them understand how to best support your special needs. Check out the EAP Stratos program. There are loads of resources on there, and you'll get some free counselling sessions. #winning. Let's call a hui. Bring a support person along. Not him, Hohua. Discuss what's going on, and together we'll get it sorted.